Beautify me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside.
Yes, very good. Very good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning, children. Okay, come on, stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Action words. Action words. Running. How will you run? Running. Run, 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 run fast. Run fast. Running, jumping, jumping, jump, jump, jump. Okay, now you are going to run slowly. Slow motion running. How will you run? In slow motion. Slowly, 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 Kavyani. Slowly. Okay, very good. Now, flying. How will you fly? Fly fast. Fast flying. Fast. Come in a circle. Fast flying. How will you fly fast? Clap your wings fast. Now, slowly, slow, slowly, fly slowly, slow motion, fly slowly. Very good, very good. Next is, how will you play cricket? How will you play cricket? Very good, all of you. Okay. How will you play football? How will you play football? Dikshan, how will you play football? Hashni will turn around like that while playing football. Ah? Okay, how will you play basketball? Basketball. Basketball. Okay, volleyball. How will you play volleyball? Very good. Archery. Archery. Dev Krish, it looks like Man Karate. Archery. Okay, fine. Okay, next. Hockey. 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 Very good, Dev Krish. Well done. Okay, next is, what did I miss? Finish football, hockey, everything. Okay, next, how will you play? What shall I say? Indoor game, any indoor games? Any indoor games? Huh? Tell me any game. Carom. Will you play carom with your finger? Right, carom. You'll strike a coin with your finger. Yes, very good. Okay, then action. One more time, action. How does a crow fly? With sound. Along with the sound. How does a duck sound? How does a duck sound? Duck, 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 duck. Quack, 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 quack. Okay. How does a cat sound? How does a cat sound? Meow, meow. How does a dog sound? Very angry dog, huh? Nighting. Okay. How does a snake sound? Snake. How does a snake sound? Nighting, Nagin dance and all. I didn't ask you. I asked you how does a snake sound? Okay. Okay. Next is, how does a lion sound? Oh, this is my voice. Yeah, very good. Okay, thank you so much, children. Now come on, go drink one glass of water and come back for the attendance. Come on, get ready. Dev Krish, Okay, good. Dhanvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan. Dikshan. Hashini. Janavi. Karthikeyan. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohita. Ritvik. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika. Siddharth. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishank. Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready. Lakshana. Lakshana. Okay, very good.
Put the ball.
Okay, good. Coming back to rhyme. Solar system rhyme. Who is going to sing solar system rhyme today? Solar system rhyme. Finalize. Naitik is going to sing solar system rhyme. Kavyani is going to sing rainbow rhyme. And Janavi or who else? Shall I ask? Miss Polly. Okay? Come on, Naitik.
Hey, plan is the rounding sun. Let me count them one by one. But I will be rainbow. The closest to the flag. Divided is big in size. Sadder comparing lines. Rain and sun and Neptune. Not so far, but just in line.
Very good. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Ma'am.
Rainbow songs, you don't know, ma'am.
Then what song you know? Only solar system, ah? You should learn, right? Who knows rainbow rhyme? Tarnika, I know you very well know the rhyme. I will not ask you. Who knows rainbow rhyme? Come on, Dikshan. No. Dikshan.
There's a rainbow, it's so violet. Feel there's a rainbow, indigo, snake, and color blue. Even if some snake, in storage too.
Finally.
There's a
And the rainbow.
rainbow is red.
Okay, very good. Dhanvin, rainbow rhyme.
Look at the rainbow, it's a violet.
Very good. Janavi, come on. Miss Polly had a dolly.
Have a car, a doctor, a pig. A dog, a doctor, a pig.
What?
She's confusing alphabet. Mellinga paadu.
The doctor came along with this.
Look at the dolly,
Janavi. Okay, wait, Janavi. Listen to others and then you sing, okay? Tarnika, sing Miss Polly had a dolly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Miss Polly had a dolly that was sick, sick, sick. So she called up a tata to be quick, quick, quick. The tata came around with his bag and pack. And he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at the daddy and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put the shade to bed. He wrote down a paper for a pill, pill, pill. And was back the next morning for a bill.
Well done, Hashini.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hashini,
Yes, ma'am.
my God. Hashini's dad and mom always have this habit of making her cry.
No, ma'am. She wants you to call her. That's why you didn't
One
call
by
her.
one only I'll call you now, Hashini.
That's why
For this you'll cry, yeah. Chip, shame, puppy shame, I'm going to say. Come on, sing the right.
Which time?
Come on.
Which time?
My girl.
Okay.
Fight with ma'am.
No, slowly.
You have full right to fight with ma'am. Right.
Wait.
You have full right to fight with ma'am. You can ask ma'am. Okay, you can prank ma'am, but don't cry. I don't want any of my children to cry.
Fine.
You can even fight with me. I'm okay with that. But please don't cry. Okay? Now come on. Smile.
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 Is you smiling?
Smile.
Ah. Come on, stop. Naughty.
Where is the rainbow? It's lilac. Wait, there is the indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, then this all is two. Finally, the red and the rainbow is red.
Fred, very good. Okay, well done. Now all of you come on, take your rhymes book. Take your rhymes book.
System,
Yes, ma, Zeddy.
solar system.
Come on, sing solar system.
Eight planets around the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The other Pluto, Saturn. Jupiter is winged inside. Saturn comes with winged inland. Uranus and Neptune are so far in line.
But just in line, I want all of you to take your rhymes book. Take the pentagon rhymes. Pentagon rhyme. Pentagon. P-E-N, pen, T-A-T-G, on. O-N is on. Pentagon. Okay? Now I don't want you to sing. I want to look at this and I want you to read. Who will read? Let me see. Who will read? No one, huh? Radhika will read. Come on, read the lyrics. Come on.
The pentagon comes with five sides, with five sides, with five sides. Pentagon comes with five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good, but you sang the rhyme. I told you to read the lines. Okay. Now come on, take your pencil. Thank you so much, Karnika. Take your pencil, everyone. Circle the word with. With. It ends with the digraph TH. With. No sleeping, Janvi. With. Find out on your own, children. With.
Ma'am, Johnny will circle, ma'am.
Circle da. Very good, Janvi. With. What is spelling for with, Janvi?
W-I-H.
Huh?
W-I-T-H.
Okay. Now, what is the number name given in this rhyme? What is the number name? Very good, ma. Come on, circle the number name. 5.
Five spelling. Check out the spelling. Not a number. Word.
Number name, not the number. Number is different from number name. 5 is number. FIV is number name. Did you all find out number name? Next is comes. Comes. What's the spelling for comes? Come on, circle it. Who is going to tell me the spelling for comes?
COMAC.
Ah, Sia. COMES. Comes.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma Devkrish. Next is pentagon. 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 Circle the word pentagon. Pentagon. Next is the. The. Finished? Very good, children. Found out? Well done. Now come on, all of you take your worksheet book. Take your worksheet book.
Finished, ma'am.
Worksheet number is 156 MT, 19 number name. 156 MT, 19 number name.
Ma'am, JD.
Yeah, very good. Now keep your rhymes book down. Take your worksheet 156 MT. Janavi, take your worksheet book, ma Janavi. "19. Write today's date. Today's date is 12-3-2121.
Ma'am, once again, ma'am, page number.
156 MT. 19. Number name 19.
Ma'am, Z is not writing, ma'am. Date,
Yeah,
ma'am.
what Zedi?
Date not writing, ma'am.
Right, ma Zedi?
Date not writing, ma'am. Date.
That's the dates. 1-2-12-3-2121. Come on, Zedi, right, ma? Mama always complaining, all these mamas. But children are very good only. Finished writing. Now start writing. NINETEEN 19. NINETEEN 19. Why all I see, it seems to be most of you are very sleepy. What is the matter, children? Only Hashni, Dikshan, Kavyani, Tarnika, Vivan. Nightek. Stand up, Nightek. Jump for 5 times. Jump. Jump. Finished? Come on, sit and write. No sleepy face. Come on, sit and write. Zadima, write. Zedi, your dress is looking very pretty, Zedi, today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on, write fast. Children, after finishing these worksheets, I want all of you to bring any one toy and talk about that toy. You yourself should say any 3 sentences about that toy. Okay? Finish the worksheet, then we'll conduct this activity. You can select your own toy and then you can speak about it. Okay? Next worksheet is 157 empty. Following number name 19, finish number name 20 also. TWENTY 20. The worksheet number is 157 empty. 157 empty. After finishing worksheets only, I said. Did I tell all of you to go now? Children, what to do with your children? TWENTY 20. 157 empty. Spell and write. Vivan, look how you are using your pencil, Vivan. You're going to prick your eyes. Spell and write, children. Nobody is spelling out. Come on, spell and write. Kavyani, spell and write. Spell பண்ணி எழுதுங்க கவ்யாணி. Nigma Dixon. Devkrish, mute yourself, ma Devkrish. I heard what you said. But don't look at me like that, okay? I heard. Finish. Good, Tarnika, finish. Zeddy, what? What like this? Very good, mother. Come on, go bring your toy. Go and bring your toy. By the time, let others write. Come on, Tarnika. Speak about your toy. Only those who finish till 20 number names will speak about their toys. Or else no talk time for them.
Car is a land transfer.
For that, why are you looking at your mama? Look at me.
Car is road.
Everyone mute yourself, children. Once you finish your worksheet, you can get ready with your toy. Prepare any 3 lines. Okay? Now come on, Matarnika. Speak.
Car is going in the road.
Okay. Car goes on road. Okay. Car is a land transport. One more.
No, no சொல்லலாம் car.
How many wheels are there in the car?
It has 4 wheels.
Very good. It has 4 wheels. Good. Thank you so much, Tarnika. Next, Ashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, speak about your toy.
I like to
Hmm.
ball.
I like to.
Ball.
I like to play with my ball.
I like to play with my ball. I like to 4 colors.
My ball has 4 colors. 4 colors. I can see only 2 colors in that. 4 colors are telling lies. Can see only 2 colors in that. This girl is lying to me. Okay, then next sentence.
Next sentence.
Mom like to 4 colors.
Okay, next.
I like to ball and play.
I like to
Ball and play.
what?
I like to ball play.
You like to play with ball. Okay, with whom you will play?
With whom you will play?
With whom you will play?
Ashini.
Ashni will play with Ashni itself. You will not play with your mom. You will not play with your dad.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You will not play. They will not play with you,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Two very bad parents.
ma'am, she didn't understand your question, ma'am. She
See, with whom yaar kuda vilayaduveenga? Hashini, with whom you will play?
Dad and mummy.
That's what I asked. Dad and mummy. I play ball with my dad and mummy. Okay? Very good, Mahashini. Next, who is ready?
Dixon. Then I pick ma'am.
Okay, one by one. First is diction. Diction. Diction.
This is fire truck. This is fire truck. It's landed transport. It turns off fire. It turns is
Next
Yes.
sentence. Only one more.
it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It has
6 wheels.
6 wheels. It has 6 wheels. Okay?
6 wheels.
Okay, very good. Well done, Madiksha. Next is Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
My name is Dhanita. It is the water tanker.
Lift it up and show it to everyone. Good.
Toy.
It has water.
It has water. This is yellow color, orange color.
Okay, good. And something is there, green color on top of it. What is that?
It's a light, ma'am.
Light. Okay, good. Thank you so much, Madanvin. Very good. Well done. I'm just observing the way how you are forming sentences. That's it. Okay, next is whom shall I ask? Kavyani. Kavyani. Okay, after that, Naitik.
Okay, ma'am.
இப்ப நானும் அதை போட்டுருவாங்க அது. இல்ல,
Come on,
இல்ல,
say it in your own words.
Air transport.
Huh?
This is air transport.
Air transporter.
Spider-Man.
Look at that.
Spider-Man.
Wake up, wake up. Are you sleeping? What is there in your hand and you are saying it is air transporter? Kavyani.
What is this, ma? What is this?
Spider-Man.
Then why did you say air transport? Come on, say Spider-Man toy. Okay.
Okay. He will Spider-Man.
He will fly.
He will fly. Okay. One more.
Fly.
You like Spider-Man toy?
Yeah.
And then what you should say in sentence?
Superman, this is.
I like Spider-Man. What do you
Nani,
say?
This is Superman.
Superman or Spider-Man? First you said it's Spider-Man. Then you're saying it's Superman. Going to pinch your nose.
I like Spider-Man.
Okay, good. Very good, Kavyani. Next is Nitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
This is my police car. I
Mm.
play with police car.
Mm.
Its color purple, red, blue,
Mm.
white, orange,
Mm.
and monster.
Wow. Show it to everyone. Lift it up and show it to everyone. Lift it up and show. They can't see. See how nice Nitek's toys. Everyone. Very nice, right? Very good. And thank you so much, Ma Nitek.
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. Actually, that Spider-Man flying in the air. No, that's why she said air transport like that. Just she explained to me.
Okay, now I understood, Ma. Sorry. Okay, but it is not a transport, right? Okay, good. Anyway, good, Kavyani. Next is who I asked you. Dev Krish.
Okay, Spider-Man cars.
Red and black. This will go fast. Then one
One
wheel.
wheel car. How many wheels?
One wheel it will go. Count the number of wheels. It has 4 wheels. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, next it's going to be Nitila. Nitila.
This is aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Very good. Aeroplane.
This color.
This
white in color.
It's white in color.
It was to win.
What type of transport is that? Aeroplane is a land transport.
என்ன transport?
Air transport. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Well done, Maka. Nitila. Good. Very good. Next is, whom shall I ask? Vivan. Next, Vidyut, be ready. Vivan.
I have bulldozers and trucks.
So the truck is very dirty. What is that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. Why it's very dirty?
We need to clean it.
We need to clean it, Okay, good. Come on, tell about your toy.
I have all different colors. I have red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and dark blue.
Oh my God. See the wheels of that bulldozer. Is it big or small?
Big.
Big wheels. What the bulldozer will do? What? What the bulldozer will do? It will crush up. What are you saying? I don't understand, Vivan. What's he saying?
It's math.
Math.
Eugene.
This boy, no, unbelievable. Okay, very good, Vivan. Next is Vidyut. Come on, Vidyut.
It's my favorite toy.
Horse is your favorite toy, Okay. First boy I saw without any transport. I saw you telling horse is my favorite toy. Is it so? Really true?
What, ma'am? I
Is
didn't
it
hear you.
really true?
This is
No
not
other
his
kid
favorite
don't
toy,
have
but
any
he likes
toy.
horse very
And
much,
he
ma'am.
gave him a horse in his hand, right?
Yes, ma'am. Initially he took car, then he changed to horse.
Okay. Come on. Tell me about your horse.
Hi, color parade.
Ah,
Brown.
This is brown in color.
horse
Okay, that's
is brown in color.
Okay. How many legs?
Mm.
Parade.
That.
No action. Tell me in words.
Parade.
It has
That 4 legs.
4 legs. Then
Has 4 legs.
That 4 legs.
horse is a what animal? Wild animal, farm animal.
Farm animal.
Farm animal. Very good. So cute with you. Thank you so much. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Where is your toy?
My green color and red color.
Then.
This is my car. This is my car.
This is your car. Then, what color is your car?
It's green and red and black.
Okay, what is black in color in that car? What is black in color? The wheels are black in color. Okay? Yes? Very good, Zadi. Thank you so much, Zadi. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
This is my car. The car is 4 wheels.
Car has 4 wheels.
4 wheels. The car is red and brown.
Okay,
Car
good.
is red and 4.
Very good. Well done. Well done, ma Pranita. Did I miss out anyone? I asked everyone, right?
Janavi.
Janavi. Come on, Janavi.
This is my red teddy. This is my video. This is my hacking and asleep.
Then, one more. One more you have to say.
Hello, teddy. This is my red teddy. This
Ah.
hello and sleeping.
So you love your teddy, then you lied to Venila ma'am that you love me, right? Yes?
Fourth, ma'am.
You said you love me. Now you are saying you love your red teddy. Which is the truth?
Red teddy.
Red teddy is the truth, Venila ma'am, what you said is lie, Oh my God, this girl lied to me that she loves me.
Love you, ma'am.
No, very angry on you. Okay? Okay, children, come on. Keep your toys aside. Take your worksheet book. Very good. You all attempted to say 3 sentences about your toy. A very good try. Well done, children. Take your worksheet book. Worksheet book page number is 158 empty. 158 empty. You have to match the number names here. 158 empty. empty. Write today's date. See what number is given and read the number names here also and then match it on your own. Don't get help from your parents. Match it on your own. Let me see how many of you are able to do it correctly. Parents, please don't teach them. First, read the number name. First number name is SIX. What is SIX? What is SIX? SIX.
SIX.
now you have to see where is number 6 here and you have to match. And the second beer, N-I-N-E, what number is that? N-I-N-E. 9. Very good. See where is 9 and matching. Third is T-W-O. What is T-W-O?
2.
Come on, match number 2. Next is F-I-V-E. What is F-I-V-E? 5. Next is T-H-R-E-E. Very good, Radhika. Very good. 3. Match number 3. Last one is O-N-E.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good, children. O-N-E 1. Parents, check and tell me whether you have this worksheet. CH, SH and TH worksheet. If everyone is having, we'll do. 157 PH.
Yes, ma'am. They are fresh having.
Having, Devkrish is having. Nitila, Janavi. Naitik is having a 157 PH.
Yes, ma'am. Dhanvin is having, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Kavyani, Tarnika.
Yes,
Naitik,
ma'am.
Dikshan, Vivan, Vidyut.
Ma'am, Nidila has, ma'am.
Kavina, good.
Is this the sound, man?
157 MT. See, sorry, PH. We have 3 jars.
Jadi da. And a jadi. Hey, jadi kiti.
No, ma'am, we don't have.
Okay, if you don't have, you please take your English notebook.
Okay.
Hey, I am English
Kavita.
ಎಂದು ಚೋಕೆ ಜಾರ್ ವಚ್ಚಿ ಪಡೆ ಕಂಡುನೇನೆ
Shouting like this, Pranita.
English notebook
Pranita, please, Pranita.
இதெல்லாம் இருக்குதாமா
Pranita, mute yourself. Those who are not having the worksheet only should take English notebook.
Yeah.
And you have to draw 3 columns. First column you will write CH. Next column you will write SH. And the third column you will write TH. Children, in this worksheet you have to find out which diagram the words belong to and you have to write it in the jar. Worksheet, those who are having, you can do it on your own. Those who don't have the worksheet, I'll write the words. You can look at it and then you can copy it down in your English notebook. Start doing it, children. Those who are having the worksheet, you can very well do it. Those who are doing it in your English notebook, draw 3 columns and write CH, SH, TH. What is the sound of CH, children? Okay. And what is the sound of SH? Along with action. What is the sound of SH? Finger on your lips. And then what is the sound of TH? Nod your head. Have to nod your head. Okay. Now I'm going to write the word. Find out and write it in your column or in the jar. This word is starting with the digraph TH. The UN is un. The ER is er. The under thunder. The digraph is TH. So you will write in the column or in the jar which belongs to TH. Thunder. Thunder. And the next word is SHIRT. Which digraph does this word belong, children? Dev Krish, tell me which digraph. Very good. Yes, H. Shirt. Shirt. Write it in the SH column. Shirt. And the third word is CHAIR. What digraph is this, Madikshan? Chair. Which digraph? It's right in CH. CHAIR. Chair. Very good. Come on, start writing. Next is SHEEP. Sheep. Vivan, which digraph is this? Sheep. Which digraph? SH, CH, or TH? Very good. SH. To write in SH. Next word is CHERRY. Cherry. What digraph do you hear? Danvin. Cherry. Very good. You will write it in the CH jar or column. Next is THREE. Three. Tarnika, which digraph is this? Three. Which digraph? Very good. TH digraph. Very good. Copy it down. And the next word is, I'll write three words here, children, and I'll tell you how to find it out also, okay? BATH, bath. WASH, wash. LUNCH, lunch. Here it is not the starting digraph. All these words which we wrote now, it all started with the digraph. Here, the three words, it is ending with the digraph. See the ending digraph and write it accordingly. Bath. TH sound. So, have to write it in the TH jar or column. And the next word is wash. Sh sound is here at last. So, you'll write it in the SH column. And the third word is lunch. Ch. Ending, if you see, it is ch. So, this you will write in the CH column. Write it accordingly, children. You just have to see the sounds, whether you have the ch sound in the beginning or in the end. Otherwise, look for the letter CH, TH, SH. Whether it is starting with that letter or it is ending with that letter. Then it will be very easy for you to find out. Finished? Ashni, finish, ma?
No, ma'am. Right.
Right. Are you practicing with your pencil grip, Ashni?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ashni. Kavyani, finish?
Ma'am, that was finished, ma'am.
Very good boy, Dhanvin. How is your clapping habit nowadays?
Yes, ma'am, it has reduced a bit, ma'am.
A bit only, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Because we have come to Chennai, right? So he's busy with his toys, so he has reduced it.
Hands are very busy, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clap.
Finish. Very good. Let me come back. Close your books. Finished, everyone? Written us? Can see some of you writing. Very good, children. Okay, Monday again we'll do another imaginary sheet, children. That I'll send you the picture of that. Color it and keep it ready for the activity on Monday. Okay, like how we did the Triceratops, no? Like that we'll do another sheet also. So I'll send you what sheet we have to do. Color it beautifully and keep it ready on Monday. Okay? Happy weekend. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Ashley, bye.
Bye, Ashley.
Bye. Bye, Ashley.
Bye, Kavyani.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Ashley is there.
Ma'am, now shall we take Hasni's to school today to meet?
Today I am right now in home only.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So can we
You
meet?
can go. I will suggest you to go to school, take some books that will help your child to read. You can very well go to